When it comes to proper tire repair, sometimes it's the small steps and attention to detail that can make a big difference. Did you know that the oil in your skin can reduce the adhesion of the repair unit? As you can see, when the poly is removed properly, it will act as a protective layer which will prevent you from touching and contaminating the gray cushion gum. If the poly is not removed properly, it can lead to contamination of the cushion gum and possible repair failure. No matter what type of tech repair unit you're using, there are a few easy techniques you can use to minimize spreading oil from your skin or contaminants from your work gloves to the repair unit. For a one-piece repair unit, like our 250 UL, simply twist and pull on the stem to break the poly free. Then fold back the edges of the repair to remove and reposition the poly on the cushion gum so that it can be properly handled and installed in the tire. For a stem repair unit like our 250-1 UL, simply fold the stem along the seam to break the poly loose. Then peel the poly back, leaving the poly on the end of the stem for safe handling. For all types of all-purpose, radial, or bias-style repair units like Tech's 112 multi-purpose repair, simply bend the repair along the perforation or seam in the poly and peel the poly back on both sides until roughly half of the cushion gum is exposed. Do not completely remove either piece of poly. Leaving the poly on both ends of the repair unit will aid in placing the repair unit over the injury properly without bridging the repair unit. And for any type of insert repair like our Permacure 220 repairs, carefully fold the insert along the seam and then peel the poly back. These simple tips help maximize repair adhesion and are important steps to ensure a safe and proper repair. For more information on these and other tech items, visit techtirerepairs.com. And to be sure you see all of our tips and training videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.